guys, so we try to do the research onto the Dogecoin, how it was started, what kind of events triggered such a big surge. Now, if you try to see the gains from the time it was launched, like in the early of 2013, 14, yes, it was launched a lot earlier, but let's say from the chart, from the coin market cap from 2015, 14, people would have made 3000x gain at the peak, 3000 to 4000x. But on the other side, somebody who would have invested in, let's say in 2021 itself, 2021 January itself, by the end of December 2020 or January, he or she would have made 100x, like at least 100x. What kind of things happened in the 2021, or was there prior events? What is the mainstream knowledge? First of all, like if you try to see all the mainstream medias, try to check out what happened with the Dogecoin, you'll find out the Dogecoin was started as a meme coin, as a joke by two of the people. One of the guy was from Adobe, right? And then it kept on growing the community and stuff. And later on in the 2021 bull run, it blasted off because Elon Musk adopted it, right? Elon Musk tweeted about it, and then from there onwards, Elon Musk has been fan of it. This is the mainstream knowledge that a lot of people might be knowing, and you will be able to find out this itself. Then we try to dig further, like what more information can be gathered so that we can identify what more patterns our community can recognize. Then we happen to find out, okay, it was first of all started by this guy, Jackson Palmer. He was a marketer at Adobe as a joke. What was the joke? Is that, hey, Bitcoin is evolving. Like at that time, obviously, the 2013, the Bitcoin was there. It was gaining momentum. And then a lot of altcoins were coming out. The Litecoin was coming out. Many other coins were coming out. So he just made a meme out of it. Hey, this is the Dogecoin. You invest into it. It'll go to the moon and stuff. Like this was just trying to mock off the altcoin that was surging, the crypto coins that was surging. And the tweet became viral, right? A lot of people started following it. So he bought a domain, dogecoin.com. That's when he was contacted by this guy, Billy Marcus. And he was an engineer software developer at IBM. He said he has experience in the cryptocurrency development. Let's make it a reality. They made it a reality. And that's when the community started growing. In fact, 1 million visitors they happened to get. Guess what? What other events that they did beforehand? Earlier itself, like 2014, 15, the community was strong, but they even donated money for the good cause. Like 26 million Dogecoin was donated, which was worth $30,000 at a particular time. And then another like 40 million Dogecoin, which was worth again $30,000, was donated to the Kenya for some sort of relief purpose, right? So it was used for the good cause. And the first mega surge happened in the 2017 bull market. Not a lot of people know about it. As you can see, 0.012 or something. So it already reached that $1 billion mark. Not many people know of, not many people talk about it in 2017 bull run itself. So it is not just like the Shiba Inu just evolved before 2021 and stuff. It was there from a long time, and it even reached $1 billion market cap in 2017 bull run. And that's when like everything else, a mega crash just went on. And that's when like Elon Musk tweeted a photo of a Doge and like it skyrocketed. And from there onwards, Elon Musk adopted it. Then we thought like, why not more information? Was Elon Musk only the reason? Obviously, we understand that it was an adopted community. It was there from a long time. The community supported it. But then the thing that triggered at this point of time, right? Elon Musk came at this point of time. What triggered at this point of the 10x that happened in a overnight 10x? That's when we happen to find this information, and we would like to disclose to our community. Again, guys, if you like the video so far, please smash the like button. This is how I know that you like the content. And I would make more of such content, the in-depth research of the things to give you the knowledge, as well as YouTube will promote it. So once you have smashed the like button, thanks a lot. Let's move on. Then we happen to find out there was this Reddit community. This guy, Redditor, the Lomac2 something, posted a thread that proposing like on 27th of January to start a Dogecoin rally, which quickly gathered almost 10,000 votes. Number one fertile reason, it was a mega bull market. The Bitcoin had crossed 40,000, like from $10,000 to 40,000 all-time high it crossed, right, at that point. So the altcoin season was about to come. So in the mega bull market, the altcoin season, that's when something like this can happen. A tweet, a Reddit post gained 10,000 votes that, hey, can it go to $1? And that's when it was further taken to the Twitter. 750,000 followers over there. Has Doge ever been to $1? That's when the Dogecoin skyrocketed from 0.007 to 0.087 in a matter of 24 hours. That's when everybody started taking the profit. It settled down over here. Then when the party seemed over, then on 4th of February, Elon Musk came to the rescue, tweeting a photo of Doge, captioning single word Doge, and a photo of a Dogecoin like rocketing, blasting off to the moon. Now you see the exact event. One of the learning lesson that we happen to get, obviously, you need to have the community behind it, like a meme coin which is actually taking the rally. It should have a base already established, and then a bull market is the condition. And like the mega bull market, Elon Musk will not tweet in a bearish market about a meme coin. A bull market, something like this does happen, right? And Reddit is an important place to join, guys. If you have not joined onto the Reddit, why? Because this is like insider information. Many information that you would not find anywhere else, you will be able to find onto the Reddit, right? So you try to join the communities, the places where they talk about these things. That's when you might get some of the coins name before it lands onto the Twitter, before the mega hype happens, right? That's when it happened. And then later on, like Elon Musk, some show he came like, and he said like billionaire's appearance on Saturday Night Live. He said Dogecoin a hustle, buy the rumor, sell the news. He said all these words, and that's when the mega crash started happening. But Elon Musk has not given up on the Dogecoin. Lately, he, after acquiring the Twitter, he changed the pic of the Twitter icon to the Doge, right? And that's when, like, again, like probably 50% rally happened. And this is how it keeps on teasing. The rally happened the moment he acquired Twitter. The Dogecoin rallied 35%. It keeps on, the process keeps on repeating. So guys, I hope by all the story you would know the catalyst, the set of things that might, I mean, this is everything related with the Dogecoin, if you wanted to know, like from the start till the end, as major pivot points. Again, guys, now I would request all of you guys to subscribe to our channel if you have not already. Why? Because this channel, now we want to elevate the status, elevate the quality, and give you the information you might not find at a lot of places. People will be covering a general information, but we will be giving you in-depth research information. If you would want in-depth research information so that you become pro at the cryptocurrency, so that you become pro at identifying the next trends, right? The bull market is approaching. You would want to be part of our channel. Please do subscribe to our channel. Again, smash the like button if you have not already. I would like to know your opinion. What do you think happened with the Dogecoin? What kind of coins you believe are the future, like in the coming times? I mean, just a general comment onto it. What's your take so far? It would be interesting to know and read all of you guys, and together we form a community. So I'll keep it short and concise. That's it for the video. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.